Oh my God. Dude, don't move. You didn't see him, did you? One came from the corner and one came from inside the tube. Two smallmouth. You weigh both of these? I don't think I've ever seen this before on the river. Oh, I just got a bite. Oh!
Rock on?
I don't know. Both of those fish were more than 2 pounds. I got another bite. There we go.
Oh, you're not gonna get that in. That's a pig.
Oh.
You're not gonna get that in, dude. Oh, that's a pig. Wow. Smallmouth. That's a 2-pounder?
Yep, that's one of them. But hey, he's not gonna push that. But that's a.
You called it though.
That's a great smallie.
I think that's 2.
And I know the other one was bigger than this.
Color. That's a native smallmouth too. You can tell by the color.
Yep, absolutely. Yep, good call.
Wow. What the I almost want to drop shot with your fucking thing because I lost my rig. But still, shit. That was cool. You must have saw him come out.
Now that's what I came out here for. That one right there made the whole trip worth it. That's the kind of creek smallie you expect when you want to get a big one out on water like this. But his buddy was bigger, I guarantee you. Hey guys. I was gonna make one video and combine catching fish on the creek with my top 5 lures, but that would have been way too long. So I'm gonna separate those videos. This video is gonna be catching fish on the creek. The creek that, as some of you know, I've been fishing since I was about 12 years old. And recently I caught the biggest bass, largemouth, that I've ever caught on this creek. This thing had to be 4 pounds. Unfortunately, I didn't carry a scale with me. I didn't figure I needed to carry a scale going fishing on a creek, but and another unfortunate thing is I didn't get the actual fish catch on video, but afterwards I turned the camera on, I took a couple pictures, so I'm going to show you that. Anyway, here we go.
Wow, I just got a flashback.
Oh.
Got it all on film too.
Yep.
Nice pike,
Yeah,
man.
from here, that is a good one.
That's a really good one. Wow.
Boy, did he go after
You got
that.
him. You got him right on film too, coming up to get it.
You might even be able to see him on there. Look at that sucker from this little creek, guys. Just goes to show, you never know what you're gonna get in. I've caught much bigger than this in here too.
That's exactly what I was thinking. I can't believe something hasn't devoured that. I had a feeling too.
Down, bottom.
pound and a half.
Nice. Yeah,
A
there
little
you
dirty.
go. Yeah.
Got a pick?
Oh my God. That was a big smallmouth. Wow. Nice, beautiful, healthy smallie.
I'll get something to come out and get it. Maybe I'll get that a little more.
There's one. What is he?
It's a rock. It's a
Ah,
rock bass
okay.
or a smallie? Oh, it's a small.
Oh, it is a smallmouth.
He got hooked. It's everywhere but his mouth. Wait a minute. Is that?
Yeah, that's a smallmouth.
Okay. It
Yep.
looked like had like a walleye shape. For a
Yeah,
second.
it was. That was when they're that small. Sometimes it's hard to tell.
No kidding.
Got one. The pike. Boy, did he inhale it. Boy, he inhaled it. Wow! What a weird looking bass. Whoa! What the heck? Look at this thing.
There we go. that a rock bass? Big one if it is. Wow. Jeez. That's a big rock bass for this creek. It's a big rock bass.
Okay, so I just caught a gigantic largemouth on a creek. This is crazy. That's the biggest one I've ever caught on a creek. That's easily, oof, I wish I had my scale. I don't bring it down here. That's 4 pounds easy. Show you some good spots.
Sure, man. It's a little cooler down today, so I'm more willing to stay out here. That was a good gas cast. Just give it a little quick, give it a little dip just like that, and then let it rise back up again now. Rise good. Yep.
If I do that, look at that jump! Holy shit!
And you got it on film. Nice. Well, looks like I got. You got an extra KVD I can throw on?
You can use this one.
Oh, alright. No, that works. I got a snap full bead. That's a nice size small. That's not nice. That's not bad.
Oh, you should have seen the one from last week, man. Nice little smallie, same place I got the pike. Love catching these guys. Red eye. Couldn't get that one on film. Nice little smallie from the creek.
There we go. Boy, I saw him looking at it. Nice little fish.
These guys are healthy, they look good. This guy's got one little tear on his fin, but that's got to be expected. Whoa! There's a small one. Little guy as it's getting dark.